Hey everyone, the Fossibot F113 is one of those robust cell phones that stands out right away due to its size, weight, and endurance-first mentality rather than its ostentatious style. It's the kind of gadget designed for those who value dependability over style and don't mind lugging what is effectively a small power station with smartphone functionality attached. This phone is large, hefty, and obviously designed for circumstances where you might be climbing, working at a height, or traveling in harsh environments. Expectations for a tough smartphone are met by the build quality. Combining metal, rubber, and plastic gives the phone military-grade durability and IP68 and IP69K protection. This is more akin to a small torch that can actually illuminate up to 50 meters away than just a brilliant LED. Along with a dedicated flashlight button, a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and a hybrid SIM slot, the left side also has a customizable button. The screen is a 6.78-inch panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz in Full HD plus resolution. The phone has good viewing angles, quick responsiveness, and even a glove mode, which is practically necessary for those who use it outside or in cold climates. The Dimensity 7050 chipset powers the F113's internal operations. Although it's a powerful 5G CPU, it's not a gaming powerhouse. Memory variants include 256 gigs of internal storage with microSD compatibility and 12 gigs of RAM with expansion. But the massive 20,000 mAh battery is what really sets it apart. It takes roughly 2.5 hours to charge from 0% to 80%, which is decent considering the size. Google Pay functions well because the phone has NFC with Google certification. The Android 15 runs with light skinning and a few more themes, and it has an FM radio and a tools suite with additions like a barometer and compass. The mix of the cameras is intriguing. The 64 megapixels night vision sensor, which claims visibility up to 50 meters, much beyond than the usual 10 meters range in other tough phones, is the standout feature. This is remarkable in total darkness, but it's more of a novelty than a professional tool. The 50 megapixels primary camera is accompanied by a 32 megapixels front camera and a 5 megapixels macro lens. Image quality is mediocre. In good lighting, daytime photos can appear respectable, but this is by no means a camera designed for photography. Without stabilization, video is limited to 4K at 30 frames per second, which might result in choppy footage. Ultimately, it is evident that the Fossibot F113 is intended for a certain market. It is not intended for casual daily users or those who value stylish, thin devices. Rather, it's perfect as a work phone or a survival tool for construction workers, truck drivers, campers, military personnel, or just anyone who needs a powerful flashlight, an incredible battery life, and total assurance that their phone can withstand dust, rain, drops, and extended periods of time without an outlet. The performance, screen, and cameras are still more than sufficient for the rugged category, but the night vision camera, massive flashlight, and massive battery are the primary selling features. The F113 is a mid-range, robust monster with a very defined purpose. If that mission fits your needs, it can be a very interesting companion. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.